Miss Mystica Santa.
Nagpapakita sa kanya real life. Yay! Bakit si Sirty? Alam binigyan. Mag-fashion show mo na si Mystica. Ay, nako! Crush ng aking co-host. Ang ganda-ganda talaga. Nakaka-insecure. Ay, walang sound? Pero
Sir,
sa
DJ?
inyo naman.
Yan.
Hello, everybody. My name is Santa Mystica. My vital statistics are 36, 24, and 36. I'm from Woodway, Texas. Lately, I'm... okay. I have something to share with you this night. I'm read on the wall that bawal umihi dito. Bawal. I thank you.
Thank you, candidate number 1, Miss Mystica Santa. Now let's call on candidate number 2 from Structural Department, Eva Fonda Santa. That is our contestant number 2, Eva Fonda Santa.
Go pa.
Eva Fonda Santa sa final statistics of 36, 24, 36.
Oo, bakit ako mahihiya? I'm Eva Fonda from Structural Department. My motto in life is, kung kasalanan maging maganda, I'm so sorry.
Thank you, candidate number 2, Eva Fonda Santa. Our next candidate, candidate number 3, Lava Palooza Santa. Miss Lava Palooza Santa.
Lavapalooza has a vital statistics of 26, 24, and 26. Perfect figure. Ang laki ng tiyan. Candidate number 3, Miss Lavapalooza.
Hello. Hello. My name is Lavapalooza Santa. Before anything else, Architect Neil. What can I say? I'm carried away.
Thank you so much, Miss Lavapalooza from the MEM department.
Okay, for our next candidate, Miss Dina Paula Santa.
Of Architectural Group 2. Dina Paula has a vital statistics
not the least, the candidate number 5, Nicole Kiddingman Santa.
Nicole Kiddingman Sanders from Civil Department has a vital statistics of
36, and 36.
straight line, walay curvature, with matching scores. Very wholesome. Ay, nako!
Hi, good evening everyone. My name is Nicole Kiddingman, and I'm representing the Civil Department.
Yay!
Thank you, candidate number 5.
Okay, now let's proceed to the Q&A.
Din, posting din. Posting ba?
Let's proceed to the Q&A. Doon yata tayo sa baba, no? Okay, candidate number 1, please pick up your judge number.
Mga tiyan ba?
Ikaw na naman.
Pop kayo na buti na. Nana po?
Number 2, architect Neil Kuntalan.
Good evening, sir. I love you.
Oh, si Sir din magbibigay ng question.
Okay, you are Santa Claus.
Not, sir.
Okay, if you would give me a gift now, what kind of gift would you give to me and why?
Anything else? Good evening to everybody. By the way, all the way, so by the way, sir, according to the song of Jose Marichan, the gift that I give to you this Christmas is give love on Christmas Day. I thank you.
Thank you, candidate number 1.
Love pala ang ibibigay niya kay Santa ay kay Sir Neil.
Okay, our next candidate, candidate number 2,
Eva Fonda.
Eva Fonda, the structural
Grabe!
department.
Ang daming pasta ni Eva Fonda.
The number?
Choose one. Judge number 2 again. Architect Neil.
Nakita ko lahat.
Okay. Pick another number.
Pass mo na naman ako si Architect.
Okay, number 1, Miss Ang.